हेलो एवरीवन, आज के वीडियो में प्रोटॉन की डिस्कवरी को स्टडी करते हैं, लेकिन उससे पहले इलेक्ट्रॉन की डिस्कवरी को ब्रीफली डिस्क्राइब करते हैं। इलेक्ट्रॉन डिस्कवर्ड बाय जे थॉमसन इन 1897 बाय कैथोड रे डिस्चार्ज ट्यूब एंड इट कंसिस्ट 5 पार्ट्स। इन द ग्लास ट्यूब वी टेक सम सॉर्ट ऑफ गैस लाइक द हाइड्रोजन गैस। हाइड्रोजन गैस हेल्प द इलेक्ट्रॉन टू मूव स्मूथली इनसाइड द ग्लास ट्यूब टू डिक्रीज द गैस प्रेशर इनसाइड द ट्यूब टू 10 raised की पावर -3 millimeter mercury. We use vacuum pump place two metallic plate inside the tube, cathode that is negative charge and the anode that is positive charge. High voltage source like battery to provide 10,000 volt to ionize the gas inside the tube. Ammeter to detect the current flow inside the circuit. J.J. Thomson took a discharge tube, made a hole on the anode and coated the wall of anode with fluorescent or zinc sulfide and provided a high voltage. He observed that some rays travel from cathode, pass through the hole of anode and hit the fluorescent wall of anode and produce a glow. These rays are cathode rays because they are produced by the cathode. Further experiment revealed that cathode rays are negatively charged and we call them electrons. Canal rays को समझते हैं। German physicist Goldstein discovered canal rays in 1886. He took a discharge tube and performed a opposite experiment. He made a hole on the cathode and coated the wall of cathode with fluorescent or zinc sulfide and provided a high voltage. He observed that some rays travel from anode, pass through the hole of cathode and hit the fluorescent screen of cathode and produce a glow. These rays travel from anode to cathode and called anode rays because they are produced by the anode, or canal rays because they pass through the hole or canal of cathode. To find the nature of canal rays, he passed the canal rays through the external electric field and he observed that canal rays bend towards the negative plate, and we all know unlike charges attract each other, so the canal rays are positively charged. Mean in the electric or magnetic field, canal rays show deflection. Goldstein was the first person who observed positive particle inside an atom, but he didn't use the word proton. Rutherford proceeded this experiment further and discovered the proton in 1917. Rutherford took a alpha particle and a nitrogen atom. Alpha particle are like helium nuclei that has 2 proton and 2 neutron. Nitrogen atom has 7 proton and 7 neutron, and he performed a nuclear reaction. When nitrogen atom are bombarded by alpha particle, he observed a fast moving particle hit a screen. For example, when alpha particle collide with nitrogen atom, nitrogen nucleus absorb the alpha particle and form a excited 18 fluorine that is highly unstable. It decays into 17 oxygen and a hydrogen nucleus. From this experiment, Rutherford concluded that a fast moving particle that hit the screen is hydrogen nucleus. He named hydrogen nucleus is proton. So we can say first time proton was produced by nuclear reaction. This was a first nuclear reaction in which Rutherford artificially converted one atom to another, like nitrogen 14 to oxygen 17. This discovery opened door to modern nuclear physics, radioactivity, fission and fusion, and many more. If you like this video, follow this account for more videos.